Hey everyone, welcome back to Advanced Career Institute. Today, we're diving into the world of trucking and addressing some common myths that surround this vital industry. So, buckle up, because we're about to debunk these misconceptions and set the record straight. Let's get started. Debunking Myths of Trucking, separating fact from fiction. Myth 1, truckers have easy jobs. One of the biggest myths is that truckers have an easy job. Sure, they sit behind the wheel for long hours, but there's so much more to it. Truckers face unpredictable weather, traffic, and demanding schedules. It's a challenging profession that requires skill, focus, and dedication. Myth 2, trucking is a low-skill job. Another misconception is that trucking is a low-skill job. In reality, being a truck driver requires extensive training, knowledge of vehicle mechanics, navigation skills, and adherence to strict regulations. It's a profession that demands a high level of expertise and responsibility. Myth 3, truckers are always alone. Some people think truckers are isolated and always alone on the road. While it's true they spend a significant amount of time driving, modern technology and communication tools keep them connected with their families, friends, and fellow truckers. Loneliness is not as prevalent as some may believe. Myth 4, trucking is a male-only industry. Let's debunk the myth that trucking is a male-only industry. The number of female truckers is steadily increasing, and they're making significant contributions to the field. Women are breaking barriers and proving that trucking is a career open to everyone, regardless of gender. Myth 5, trucking is a dying industry. Some people argue that trucking is a dying industry due to advancements in technology. While automation is evolving, the need for skilled human drivers is still crucial. Truckers play a vital role in the transportation industry, and their expertise is irreplaceable. Myth 6, truckers have poor health. Contrary to popular belief, truckers are becoming more conscious of their health. Many companies promote wellness programs, and drivers are incorporating healthier lifestyles on the road. It's essential to debunk the stereotype that all truckers have poor health. And there you have it, folks. We've debunked some common myths about the trucking industry. Remember, being a trucker is more than just driving, it's a challenging and essential profession. To learn more about Advanced Career Institute, please call +1 702 476 5067 or apply online at applycdlvegas.com. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.